Hi guys, welcome back to me, Mas Agus saja, warm wishes to all of you. Here we are going to make mozzarella corn dog. Let's go!
Corn dogs. Have you ever heard of this, guys? I think you must know this snack that currently every corner in the capital city, corn dogs seems to be excellent in the culinary world. Please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss the interesting information, lucrative and creative ideas, and also healthy recipes. Mix well 190 gram of all-purpose flour with 80 gram of bread flour. Corn dog is a sausage cured like satay and dipped in a mixture and then fried. This snack is also popular besides hot dogs in America. Dissolve 30 gram of sugar, 3 gram of salt, 3 gram of yeast with 150 milliliter of water. Many people think that this snack comes from South Korea, but do you know the real facts? Initially, corn dog was not made by using a stick, but to make it easier to eat it, the creator stuffed the food with a small stick made of wood like a skewer. In Indonesia, this food is considered as a food originating from South Korea, but it's not. Melt 30 grams of margarine. Let me tell you this. Corn dogs on pan was a hot debate at first. Initially, the people gave their appreciation to Neil Plater, who was a sausage maker from Texas, for presenting corn dogs at the Texas State Fair in 1942. However, 1 year earlier, in 1941, the Minnesota State Fair also claimed that they were the one who created the corn dogs. Add the dissolved water and melted margarine into the batter and mix well. Finally, it came to an end, and the corn dog pan drama was over with Stanley S. Jenkins creating corn dogs in 1927. Add 30 milliliters of cooking oil and mix well. And the fact 630,000 corn dogs were sold on that Texas fair during 24 days. It showed that the Texas community loved this sausage wrapped in breadcrumb snack very much. Add 15 milliliters of water and knead well for a few minutes. And so soon, this type of delicious and crispy food became popular in other countries. Wrap the dough for 2 hours. Corn dogs are easily found and usually sold under the concept of street food. Besides being sold in roadside stalls, corn dogs are also sold in frozen form. It is different to hot dogs, which usually use standard sausage as their raw materials, but corn dogs can use various types of sausages. Because of the popularity of this snack in the United States, the country now has National Corn Dog Day. And the celebration of National Corn Dog Day is attended by at least 30 states such as the USA and Australia. This celebration is celebrated on every Saturday in the first week of March. The Corn Dog Day was also held at the same time to celebrate the basketball championship week of the NCAA men's division, or better known as March Madness. Fry the corn dogs over a medium flame till it looks golden brown and ready to be served. So guys, those are some unique facts about corn dogs, one of the most popular foods today.
Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share, and smash that subscribe button. And also switch the bell on to notify you whenever I upload new videos. See ya!